Have you ever wondered which intermittent fasting methods are truly the most effective? With so many options out there, it can be overwhelming to choose the right one. Today, we're diving into the top 5 most effective intermittent fasting methods. We'll explore why these methods work so well and help you decide which one might be best for you. Plus, I'll share some tips on how to incorporate these methods into your lifestyle seamlessly. So stick around to discover which fasting method could be your game changer. Picture this, it's Monday morning, and I'm sitting at my desk with my coffee, thinking about the time I tried a new diet. It was promising at first, but as the days went by, the strict meal timings became harder to follow. I started wondering if there was a better way, something flexible yet effective. That's when I heard about intermittent fasting. Fast forward to today, and here we are, ready to unravel the mystery behind the most effective fasting methods. Let's dive in and find out what makes these methods stand out and which one is perfect for you. Let's start by exploring the different types of intermittent fasting. Like many of you, I have a busy schedule, and sticking to a traditional diet plan was challenging. That's when I discovered the 16/8 method. With this approach, I could eat during an 8-hour window and fast for the remaining 16 hours. It was simple to fit into my lifestyle, and I didn't have to worry about missing meals during my hectic workdays. But that's not the only option. There's also the 5:2 diet, where you eat normally for 5 days and restrict your calorie intake to around 500 to 600 calories on 2 non-consecutive days. For me, this method provided flexibility, as I could choose my fasting days based on my workload. Then there's alternate day fasting, which involves fasting every other day. Although more challenging, it works well for some people who prefer a structured routine. I decided to try this on weeks when my schedule was more predictable. Next up, the Eat Stop Eat method, where you fast for a full 24 hours once or twice a week. I found this method useful for resetting my eating habits, especially after a weekend of indulgence. Finally, there's the OMAD, one meal a day, method, which involves fasting for 23 hours and having one large meal within a 1-hour window. This approach allowed me to enjoy a big dinner while still benefiting from intermittent fasting. These 5 methods, 16/8, 5:2, alternate day fasting, Eat Stop Eat, and OMAD, each offer unique benefits and can be adapted to fit different lifestyles. Now that we've explored the different methods, let's delve into why they're considered the most effective. I was curious about this too. I noticed that when I followed the 16/8 method, I had more energy throughout the day and felt less sluggish after meals. This is because intermittent fasting can help regulate blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity, leading to a more balanced energy flow. Moreover, these methods are sustainable in the long run. Unlike restrictive diets that often lead to burnout, intermittent fasting allows flexibility. I found that I could maintain my social life while still adhering to my fasting schedule. This sustainability factor is crucial as it ensures consistency and long-term success. Intermittent fasting also taps into our body's natural ability to burn fat for fuel. When I tried the 5:2 diet, I noticed I wasn't as hungry on fasting days, thanks to my body adapting to use stored fat for energy. This metabolic switch is a key reason why these methods work so effectively for weight loss. In addition, intermittent fasting has been linked to numerous health benefits, such as improved cardiovascular health, reduced inflammation, and even increased lifespan. I was thrilled to learn that I wasn't just losing weight, but also investing in my long-term health. So, which method is best for you? Let me share more from my journey. I had different goals throughout my intermittent fasting experience. When my primary focus was weight loss, I stuck with the 16/8 method, which provided a structured eating window without feeling deprived. On weeks when I had a packed schedule and needed flexibility, I switched to the 5:2 diet. The reduced calorie days were manageable because I could plan them around less busy days. For those who thrive on routine, alternate day fasting might be the best choice. It worked well for me during times when I wanted a more regimented approach to fasting. If you prefer the idea of a full reset, like I did after holidays or special occasions, the Eat Stop Eat method can help get your eating habits back on track. Finally, if you enjoy a big evening meal and prefer to eat only once a day, the OMAD method could be your go-to method. I found this approach particularly appealing on days when I wanted to indulge in a hearty dinner without feeling guilty. Think about your lifestyle, preferences, and goals. Which method resonates with you the most? Let me know in the comments below which one you think would suit you best. If you're finding this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I put up a new information-packed video. As you embark on your intermittent fasting journey, remember these actionable steps to maximize your success. First, choose the method that aligns with your lifestyle and goals. Consistency is key, so commit to your chosen approach for at least a few weeks to see results. Next, listen to your body. Pay attention to hunger cues and adjust your fasting schedule as needed. Intermittent fasting is flexible, so make it work for you. Stay hydrated and nourish your body with nutrient-dense foods during eating windows. This ensures you receive essential vitamins and minerals while supporting your fasting efforts. Finally, be patient with yourself. You'll experience ups and downs, but every step is progress. Track your progress, celebrate your wins, and don't be too hard on yourself when things don't go as planned. Incorporating intermittent fasting into your lifestyle can be a transformative experience, offering numerous health benefits and helping you achieve your goals. If you liked this video, then I recommend that you watch this video next. See you in the next one.